What's good, YouTube? So I'm back with another video. Today we have the first actual car mod for Carnage. That being these Euro taillights right here. We went and picked up some Euro taillights, man. So we finally gonna get rid of these red ones, put in the Euro ones. The Euro ones just look so much better, yo. Like, I really wish they all came stock with these, but yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Should be a quick and simple process. It's literally just direct bolt on. So literally plug and play, take out, put the shit back in. So one things we're gonna need for this install is a ratchet, 10mm deep socket, and a trim removal tool. Well, you really don't even need the trim removal tool, but yeah, that's all you need for this install. We done switched to the GoPro, but anywho, we finna go ahead and get right into this. All you gotta do is remove these trim pieces right here, remove this cover for the trunk latch, and then remove that forget what this thing is called, but yeah, this little trim piece right here. Get back there and get the bolts out. So we finna go ahead and get into that. Move this back, grab these. You know what, I might just end up speed ramping this whole thing, but anywho, go ahead with these. And for the sake of this, not losing those, I'm gonna put these right here. All right, and we should be able to just pop this off. Yes, sir. I was a little scared, but we got it. All right. Here's where the trim removal tool comes into play. Go ahead and put it up under there. Get it in. Pop that thing out. I'm gonna put that in there as well. What was that green little thing? Oh, it's a magnet. That's cool. That's a magnet. I thought I broke something right there. But anywho, we just got that out. Now with that popped out, we removed the trim back, and you can see the 10mm nuts right here. We have one there, and one in the back, and then we just have to remove the connector and just put plug and play. So we got the infamous handy dandy 10mm. All right, crank the other one. Finna go ahead and get this last one. Don't know if the camera can see, but I hope it can see. Bruh, come on, bruh. And it just comes right out. Ooh. I'm actually gonna need 2 hands for this because I actually have to unfeed this through there. You see, look at this, it is dirty. And now that we got the stock one out, I'm finna just go ahead and clean this up before I put the new ones in, because this is gross. This is gross. Now that we got everything all cleaned up, we finna just go ahead and put this one inside. Yep, get the grommet in. Oh, we just gotta line this up. I grabbed the wrong side. Ooh, lols. This one is the right one. Yeah. Never mind. I thought I grabbed the wrong one. This is the right one. Yeah, this is the right one. I was just putting it in fucking upside down. My slow ass. Anywho. Alright, make sure that grommet is in. Now where does, okay, you have to line this up. I got it lined up. Got 2 lined up. There we go. Got it lined up. All right, now we just put these back on. I was tripping at first because you see this gap, but when you tighten it, it'll sit flush. So I was tweaking just then. Anywho, let's go ahead and get into this. Oh my goodness, this is tedious. This is tedious. I'm just trying to get it finger tight. Got that one finger tight, that was tedious. I'm finna just cut when we got all of these in. We got the one tail light in, and this is how it looks. It looks absolutely insane. My only thing is there's a little bit bigger gap on the corner at like right here, but I don't think that really matters than like the stock ones. I mean, aftermarket stuff is never going to be 100%, but I think it is the way that I tighten the bolts. Maybe I can loosen them and you know, fix how that is. But yeah, this is how one of them looks. I'm going to put the other one in, and I'm gonna try to make that one fit better than I did that one, so I can confirm that it's not how these fit, it's the actual it's the actual. Anywho, yeah. We just got the other one in. We just cleaned up our mess and everything, and this is how they look. They look absolutely insane. I prefer these much more than the red ones or the stock ones, like especially matching with the white side markers. Well, not matching because it's kind of a, I guess there's a little bit of dirt on these, so it made it look darker. But anywho, yeah, like they look insane. This is how they look when you're going to be pressing the brake or when they're turned on. Yep, even this looks a little bit different because of the white and it's not showing through red. But yeah, they look insane. I guess that pretty much wraps this video up. I mean, it was just a short little quick install. I mean, I don't have nothing extra really planned for today. I mean, I was just getting this in, like I said, birthday. I mean, this is really the only thing I did on my birthday. But anywho, yeah, so I guess I'll go into the conclusion. We back to the DSLR. That was pretty much it for the install. Yeah, so they look way better than the other ones. One more time, just saying that. Just had to reiterate one more time. But yeah, so appreciate y'all for clicking on the video. It's just a short install. Next video we'll be talking about my plans for this car. Shit, I guess that's it. Bye.